I don't know the whole word.
Let's go!
The whole song. That's the beginning.
Go!
5, 6, 7, 8, go.
I have to think.
No!
No, this is hard.
Just start from the beginning. You just started singing it.
Right.
I don't know the word.
You
Oh, say, can you see by the stars burning light? That was.
Okay,
Still have to.
no, I'm gonna sing the first line.
Okay, go ahead.
Who say, can you see? No, there you go.
No, you wasn't done.
By the stars burning light.
Continue.
Well, you guys have to keep pausing it and
Okay, I don't pause anything because you don't want to go.
Okay, why didn't you know the song? What?
I know. Well, what do they do on the beginning of school?
The Pledge of Allegiance?
All that.
Can you sing that?
No.
No, you can't sing it. You guys are weird. SpongeBob laugh?
Yeah.
I can't do it. Do it.
You do.
No, he does it good.
Record it.
I'm recording still.
Go ahead, I'm done. Damn, Adobo.
Go.
Give her. You record that?
Yeah. Let's give it an intro. Do it again.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Wait, no.
You have to do it more than once, though. And break phone. You record anything.
You can do what? Go.
I heard it.
Record, go. That's not even funny.
Dude, make that one. Do Mickey.
I don't know. Goofy's ugly.
Do SpongeBob again so I can record it.
You can do SpongeBob real cool.
Come on, do SpongeBob.
Go.
You have to do it more than once, though. Go ahead.
Come on. You're wasting my time.
Adobo!